Hello and welcome to 5 Armada Close in Ilfracombe. It's a beautifully presented and deceptively spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse situated in a gated mews right in the heart of the town. So all of the local amenities are very close by, including the high street and the seafront. Now this property is perfect for low maintenance living. There's the considerable benefit of an integral garage, and there are balconies on 2 of the floors and also a little courtyard at the rear. So as I say, everything is within very close distance of the property. So this is perfect for permanent living or as a holiday home or holiday let. So let me give you a guided tour now. Here we are then, we're in through the front door here, and you'll see straight away stairs leading up to the first floor and the hallway which leads down through towards the utility room, the ground floor toilet and the interconnecting door to the garage. I'll head down this way first. So you've got this really useful little recess in around behind the stairs here, and there's a very handy understairs store cupboard, as you'll see there, and great space for hanging coats and a little sitting space or whatever you want to do. There could be a little study area actually, perfect for that. That's the door that leads through into the integral garage there. More of that in a second. I'm going to go into the ground floor cloakroom area first. So we've got a really handy toilet down at this level. So it's toilet and hand base and plenty of space in here. So a good wheelchair friendly access if that is required. And then immediately adjacent, we've got this really handy utility room. So it's a lovely big utility room this. You'll see door out there into the rear courtyard garden, some fitted units here with a sink, plumbing for your washing machine, space for your tumble dryer, and you've got your boiler in the corner there on the wall for your central heating and your hot water. Now on the opposite side, there's a further fitted cupboard, and we've also got space for an upright fridge freezer, so further sort of deep freeze I suppose, because there is you've got the fridge freezer and things like that up in the kitchen upstairs. Courtyard here, so whilst here we will go out into the rear courtyard and I'll just show you the little area here. So nice little attractive sitting space, perfect for sitting out and enjoying. Now as you can see, the owners have really made the most of it here, put a bit of greenery up against the fence there. So there's space for benches, tables, chairs, so somewhere where you can come and sit out, grow the tomatoes, look, as you can see is happening just over here. And as I say, it's just a nice little amenity space, hanging the washing, whatever it is you want to do, just to use this area as a lovely little outdoor space. So back through, we'll go and show you now the garage area as well. Just opening up into the garage here, you'll see the interconnecting door with the hallway, so really handy. So you can come in through the garage door there. It's an electrically operated door. There's light and power in the garage here as well, and a little bit of storage space at the top end here for things like wheelie bins and anything else that you might want to store. So parking there in the garage, and then as I say, it interconnects directly with the hallway through the side door here back out, and then you can go straight in and upstairs to your living space. Just coming up the final few stairs to the first floor landing, we will see the main living room directly ahead there. I'll show you more of that in a second. And then we've got the stairs that continue on up around and to the second floor and the third floor obviously beyond that, where the bedrooms are. So we'll head into the main living room now. I've just come into the main living room now then, and this is very much the heart of the home in here. As I pan around, you'll see it goes from the sort of the kitchen at one end down to the living space and dining area right down at the very far end. And you've got that sort of expanse of glass down the far end there as well, which is lovely. That's the door which leads out onto the balcony, which is a really nice feature in this property. So it's a really lovely, sociable, spacious room. This great for modern day family living, or if you're using this as a holiday home or holiday let, everyone's together in the living space. And as I say, it's a sociable area where everyone can gather. So great for entertaining family and friends and things like that as well. If you've got a dinner party or something like that on, it's again a great space. So we'll start down this kitchen end first, and you'll see you've got this really lovely big breakfast bar, which again, is a modern way of living. You know, it's just great to pull the stools around there, everyone congregates, you can have morning coffee, a meal, just friends around for a sociable chat. You know, it's a good living area. Now there's an abundance of storage in here. You'll see through all of the units and things that we've got here up on the wall and down on the base units there. You've got the built-in appliances, so you've got the oven, the hob and the extractor canopy. Down in here as well, you've got a dishwasher built into the units, and as I say, you've got plenty of storage in this lovely breakfast bar. Let me just give you the aspect from the other side of the breakfast bar. So plenty of room for stools here. There's 4 around there at the moment, but actually you could get more around there if you really wanted to. So just panning around the room again, down towards the living space. So you've got your lounge, you've got plenty of room for your sofa there, TV look on the left hand side, sorry, on the right hand side. And then you've even got good space down the far end here for your dining table as well. And then, as I say, this door opens out onto this really lovely balcony. And the balcony there, you can see, has space for a table and chairs. And the balcony looks into the sort of inner courtyard area of the little mews there. So final aspect from this end of the room, and then we'll head on upstairs towards the bedrooms. Onward we go, climbing up now to the second floor. So this is where the bedroom areas start. So we've got the main landing here, bedroom at the front there, bathroom in the middle, and we've got the 4th bedroom at the rear here. Now all 4 bedrooms are really good sizes. Now this one, as you can see, is not used as a bedroom, but easily could be a 4th bedroom, double or twin. I've seen double beds in this room, I've seen twin beds in this room, so it all fits in here quite nicely. Obviously makes a great little study or office area if you wanted to go that route as well. So plenty of space in here. Moving through down to the middle, we've got the really nicely appointed family bathroom in here. So as you'll see, everything's got nice splashbacks around it, nice modern fittings. So it's a white suite in here. We've got the bath, the hand basin and the toilet all sort of fitted in there very nicely with these splashbacks above. You've got the illuminated mirror there. There's a heated towel rail, and as you saw as we came in the doorway, we've got this really nice outer cubicle in through here as well. So nice big shower there, walk-in shower. So nice to have the separate shower and the bath. Of course, upstairs, when we go upstairs again in a second to the main bedroom, there is an ensuite there as well. So you have got the second facility up in the top floor. So this is bedroom 2. This is a really lovely bedroom again, lovely double-sized room as you'll see here. Plenty of space for all of your furniture as you'll clearly see. Nice big window at the front, and we've also got built-in wardrobes just in there behind the door inwards. So plenty of good storage already built in here, which is also an added bonus of course. So that's the first 2 bedrooms on the second floor. We'll now head on up the stairs to the top floor. There we go, final floor, coming up to the top floor landing now. And a feature of this landing is this lovely Velux style window in the roof here. So that allows plenty of light to sort of flood down through the stairwell, so it's not dark at all. The door to my right here is an airing cupboard. So you've got the large hot water cylinder in there and a bit of storage space too. Panning around, this is the 3rd bedroom. So we'll see 4 in total. So I've called this one bedroom 3. The one at the back, which wasn't used as a bedroom, I called bedroom 4. Not that that matters. As you'll see, this is a very similar room to the one directly below it at the rear here. So just goes to show that that room where that was being used as an office area there can easily house a bed and all the furniture and things that you need it to. Plenty of space in here. Again, this could be a single room, double room, twin room, whatever it is you need to fit in here. Now this one is the main bedroom, and this one's got the really lovely feature of the balcony area. I'll show you more of the balcony in a second. You go through the balcony or out onto the balcony through the door directly ahead there. Double bed there, and then you've got your access to your ensuite just directly ahead as well. Now, like with the bedroom below this one at the front on the floor below, we have got some built-in wardrobes here. And this is almost like a little dressing area here, which is again quite nice. So you could have a dressing table in there, no fuss at all, and as I say, plenty of storage again already built in. There's a nice open view from here because you're a bit higher up now and you look out over the rooftops towards the Tors. So just coming into the ensuite, similar fittings to that of the family bathroom, but it's just a shower room, this one, as opposed to the bath. You've got the heated towel rail, toilet fitted in there with the basin, and then as we come up and around, we've got this nice walk-in shower cubicle again. So same sort of splashbacks and things in here, so all nice and low maintenance and modern finish and easy to look after. Just one final aspect for the bedroom from this side, and then we'll head out onto the balcony there. Just coming out onto the balcony, and I think this is a great feature, this little artificial grass here. It just makes you feel like you are, properly outside when you go out onto this balcony. The balcony is actually covered in here, so no matter what the weather's doing outdoors, you can still sort of sit and enjoy. It's a pleasant outlook from here. I just mentioned there's an outlook out, from the balcony here, just over the rooftops up towards the Tors. So there we are, look, really nice. And you're also looking down into the central area of the mews, for which the 12 properties sort of sit around. So there is room for table and chairs out here. If you want to come and sit up here, could be an evening drink or something like that, or morning coffee even. But it's just another great little space and a nice feature of the property. Here we are, we're back outside into the mews courtyard, and you'll just see the gated entrance there. So you've got the vehicular access through the larger gate and the pedestrian access there through the smaller gate. Now there's 12 properties in this little gated community. You've got 6 of these larger houses, one of which is number 5 that obviously we're selling here. And then there are 3 smaller houses built in, there are 6 smaller houses built in 2 terraces of 3. Just one there and one there. So the smaller houses have got parking in allocated parking areas within this space. And the larger houses, of course, have got their own integral garages. And as you'll see with number 5 there, just directly ahead in the shot, you can get another car on the front sort of brick paved area there. So they're really nice low maintenance properties, these. They're all clad in this really nice, attractive, low maintenance cladding on the front. And it comes that colour, so you don't need to paint it. These houses are perfect for those that want low maintenance living with the centre of town convenience that this property offers. It really is on the doorstep of everything, the high street, the seafront, and the lovely walks up over the Tors. So it's all here. So as we said earlier, it's perfect as a low maintenance permanent home, or as a holiday home or holiday let. So there we are, that's 5 Armada Close in Ilfracombe, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, it really is a beautiful house with excellent facilities. And of course that little gated community here really gives added privacy, yet you are still so close to all of the amenities, the high street, the seafront, and everything that's around you. So to recap then, we've got 4 bedrooms, we've got the 2 bathrooms, we've got the balcony off the lounge and also off of the main bedroom, and the courtyard at the rear. The real big benefit as well is that lovely integral garage with the electrically operated door. So to come and view this property physically, and I'm sure you're going to want to do that, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.